If you're getting the LibreOffice error 1316 on Windows, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a couple of proven fixes step by step. This error usually happens when Windows installer has a bad cached entry, or when an old LibreOffice installation record is stuck in the registry and blocking the new install. The good news is, you can usually fix it without reinstalling Windows. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to open the Windows Registry editor. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Then type regedit and press enter. If Windows asks for permission, click yes to continue. Now that Registry editor is open, look at the left panel and carefully navigate to this exact path. HK key barn locals a machine, then software, then classes, then installer, then products. Take your time here, because you want to make sure you're in the correct location before making any changes. Once you've open the products folder, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to bring up the search box. Type LibreOffice and start the search. Windows will look through the registry and highlight any matching entries. When you find a result, don't delete it right away. First, check the values on the right side and make sure the product name actually says LibreOffice. This step is important so you don't accidentally remove the wrong software entry. If it is the correct LibreOffice registry folder, right-click that specific alphanumeric folder name under Products and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion if Windows asks. This removes the stale installer record that may be causing error 1316. After that, close Registry Editor completely. Now try running the LibreOffice installer again and see if the problem is fixed. In many cases, that registry cleanup alone is enough to solve the issue. If you still see the same error, there's one more fix we can try, and this one resets the Windows installer service itself. Sometimes the installer background service caches incorrect tracking information, and that can block setup even when the files are fine. To do that, click the Windows Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. If a security prompt appears, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type msiexec.exe/unregister and press Enter. You won't usually see a big confirmation message, and that's okay. Then type msiexec.exe/regserver and press enter. This re-registers the Windows installer service and clears out any broken installer registration that may be causing the conflict. Once that's done, close the command prompt window and run the LibreOffice installer one more time. In most cases, one of these two methods will remove the error and let the installation continue normally. If the video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes for Windows and software problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.